Hello everyone, in this video we'll study about heredity. So have you ever wondered why we look like parents? Why have your mother eyes or your father smile? It's all of that, it's because of one powerful biological process called heredity. Heredity is a passing of traits from parent to offspring through the DNA. Here the trait means a character. It may be a physical characters like hair color, eye color. So as you can see in this picture, the daughter has acquired same eye color, same hair color from his mother and same ear from his father. So these are the characters which pass from parents to the children, or we can say it as a from parents to offspring through the DNA. These traits can include physical characters like skin color, eye color, color of hair, height, dimples. As you can see in this picture, this girl having a dimple on his cheek, and in this picture, this does not carry a dimple on his cheek. So the physical characters like dimples is also passed from parent to children, and it's because of heredity. Okay, I think. Other examples includes that some have capability to roll their tongue. In this figure, you can clearly see that one have capability to roll their tongue, and this image is that does not have capability to roll their tongue. Free earlobe. Some have detached earlobe or free earlobe, and some have attached earlobe. Widow's peak. This image shows that has a straight hairline, and this image shows that it does not have a straight hairline. It means it has a widow's peak. Even the behavior and risk for certain diseases are also passed from generation to generation if the gene for certain diseases are dominant. For example, person suffering from cancer or thalassemia, if the gene are passed from parents to children, then the children may suffer from such a kind of disease, and it's only because of heredity. Thank you. See you in the next video.